Hello students, today we will discuss about project manual. The project manual is one of the key factor here, and it is responsible for pursuing the common goals which has to be achieved in the project management or in the project. Now in the previous videos we have discussed about the work breakdown structure and all. If you go for any industry, their work breakdown structure chart is managed, or it is prepared, or it is placed onto the wall of the every industry, because whatever the manufacturing is done, that is also a project. And how it has to be conducted, its work breakdown structure is placed, means what activities has to be conducted one after another, that is defined in the work breakdown structure. Now the question comes is how we assign the work to the different agencies, different groups we are making in work breakdown structure. We are making the different sections, then we are making the work projects and all, and each group or agency should know what is their role. Sometimes what happens, some agencies may be interdependent, then it is very important to define the mutual relationship among those agencies. And here the preparation of the procedure manual should always start with each project management subsystem. Actually it is providing the different subsystems in the project management, how it has to be done. And we have already discussed, project is not done in single thought or a single shot, or we can say it is not decided in a single phase. Each stages in the projects are decomposed and has to be carried out on each subsystem to identify. And actually it is like a write-up given to the different agencies or persons who are working on the project, what should be done. So it's a record. It will be used in many areas. Even the stakeholders will be cross-verifying this, what or this, they may need this, because they have to give in the complete presentation what is done to be done and at what time. As a manual, it is like your project report what you are creating, no? A separate manual is prepared. So how this project manual is created, that is a question. Means it is not that you create a project manual of your own choice or your own way. When the things are decomposed, some questions needs to be asked regarding the project manual. How you make a project manual, that question will come, because in your textbook only the concepts are given. But when I made a videos, I had made a research in the internet, or I had gone through the Google and all. I have searched and I have, in my videos I have kept all the documents or methods or work breakdown structure, everything I have kept it in my videos, how it is organized. But when you look into your textbook, you will not find that. So what I suggest you, you just go through my videos, okay, before referring the notes. In notes you will not find any of those diagrams what I have shown you in the video, because it is not part of your textbook. It is not in your textbook. But in exams, if you want, you can write. It's not an issue. You can note down those such as work breakdown structure, then packaging structure. You can just write. It's not an issue. So certain methodologies are used in each steps. That is what I wanted to demonstrate in the work breakdown structure and all. Similarly, when the things are decomposed in manual, some question need to be asked. Means what should be there in the manual? That question will come into the picture. So the manual should be answer to these two questions. That is, what system must achieve, means exactly what is the goal of the system, and what contribute to effective functioning of each of the elements, means how the each and every phase, in each and every phase it is contributed to the different elements. So we can do this by asking these questions in a successive levels. It is not that it is asked in the one level. We know our project has a different levels. In the previous sections we have discussed this. In each section, these questions need to be asked. What needs to be achieved? How we are going to get, or how the functioning means how each and every phases has to be decided. That has to be planned. And by asking the questions in the successive level, it is possible to develop a complete picture about the system. And that is what is kept in the project manual. So this was regarding the project manual. I hope you got it clear. Thank you for watching this video.